Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to download and install XAMPP on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then search for XAMPP. Browse this URL and then download XAMPP for Windows operating system. Click here to download the latest version of XAMPP. It may take a while for downloading XAMPP Windows installer. After a successful download, go into the Downloads folder. Open this XAMPP Windows installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Click on OK. If you get this warning, click on OK. OK, now click on Next. Now select the component that you want to install. Then click on Next. This is the default installation folder for XAMPP. You can change and select another folder, but I am going to install it on this folder. Then click on Next. XAMPP control panel for Windows supports different languages. So select the language and then click on Next. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. So click on Next to begin installation. It may take a while for installing and unpacking the files. Now allow this. Okay. If you want to start the control panel right now, check this box and then click on Finish. Okay, now I am going to start the Apache web server from XAMPP control panel and also MySQL database server. Okay, allow. And now I am going to access the Apache web server from a web browser using localhost. That's it. XAMPP installed successfully. Now navigate to phpMyAdmin. That's it. Now I'm going to create a simple PHP project with a PHP script that will display a message. So navigate to the local disk C. Here you will see XAMPP folder. Go into the htdocs folder. Your all application project will be stored in this folder. So I am going to create a new folder, name it my app or my site. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new file and name it. Now write this command here, then hit enter. Okay, you will see index.php file has been created, and then go back to the web browser and browse this URL and then write my site or anything else that you have created for your project, then hit enter. That's it. PHP script runs successfully on Apache web server. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.